You studied for hours, but your friend barely opened the book, and somehow, they scored higher than you. Sound familiar? What if the problem isn't how much you study, but how you're studying? Today, I'm going to share a strategy that top students use to study less, retain more, and absolutely crush their exams. And stick around till the end, because the last tip is the one most students never figure out. Welcome to Ultramind Hacks. Here's the truth: no one tells you your brain doesn't care about time. It cares about intensity and repetition. Sitting with a book for 6 hours straight. That's not studying. That's just sitting near a book. Research shows that after 25 minutes, your focus drops dramatically. So more hours often means less learning. And come exam day, all that time feels wasted. That's the trap. Now, let's break out of it. Step 1. Use the 25/5 rule. Study for 25 minutes. Then take a 5-minute break. Hard stop. This is called the Pomodoro Technique. Your brain consolidates memory during breaks, not during study time. Think of it like lifting weights. The muscle grows while you rest, not while you're at the gym. So work in short, sharp bursts. Your focus stays sharp. Your memory gets stronger. Step 2. Ditch rereading. Do active recall. Close the book. Try to remember what you just studied. Write it down. Say it out loud. Explain it. This feels hard, and that's the point. Struggle equals learning. When your brain works to retrieve something, it holds onto it much longer. Rereading feels productive, but it's basically brain junk food. Active recall is the real meal. Step 3. Use the Feynman Technique. Pick one concept you just studied. Now explain it like you're teaching a 10-year-old. Simple words, no jargon. If you can explain it simply, you actually understand it. If you get stuck, that's your weak spot. Go back, fix it, and try again. This one technique alone can replace hours of passive reading. Step 4. Space your revision. Don't study everything the night before. Review on day 1, day 3, day 7, day 14. This is called spaced repetition. Your brain forgets things on a curve, the forgetting curve, but each time you review before forgetting, the memory gets stronger. Use apps like Anki to automate this. It's like compound interest, but for your brain. Small reviews, massive, long-term retention. Step 5. The secret one. Test yourself. First, before studying a new chapter, read the questions at the end first. Your brain will now read with a mission. It'll hunt for answers automatically. This primes your brain to absorb information faster. It's called retrieval-primed learning. Most students never do this. That's why they read and forget. You'll read and remember. Now imagine walking into your exam room calm, confident, well-rested. While others panic-studied all night, you followed a smarter system. You finish the paper. You walk out feeling good. That's not luck. That's strategy. Here's the big idea. Studying smart beats studying hard every single time. Your brain is not a hard drive. It's a muscle. Train it the right way, and it performs when it matters most. So here's your move right now. Pick one of these steps. Just one. Apply it in your very next study session. That's it. Start small. Build the habit. If this helped you, smash that like button. It tells us you want more Ultramind hacks. Subscribe so you never miss a strategy. And comment below. Which step are you trying first? See you in the next one.